Good morning. Oh my goodness, it is a cold one. Wednesday here in Elstree. Just picked up this Triumph Thruxton R in desperate need of some Trott loving. Just about to get cracking. I've spent the last 40 minutes trying to defrost all my hose. Had it in the garage last night, but it must have been below freezing in there as it was frozen solid. Anyhows, everything's thawed out. I'm ready to get cracking. Got this Thruxton R looking very sad for itself. This client rides in and out of London most days during the week. He's been trying to get to me for some time now. But today is the day. I have just picked it up for him. We're gonna give it a Trott Full Monty Valet. And we're gonna cover it in ACF 50. Get all these spokes, get the rust off these spokes, get some ACF 50 on those nipples, all these shocks. That's why it's so important to keep your bike clean and protected. Oh, the neighbor's dog is going nuts. Look at that chain. Don't know where to start with this. But, oh, these are like sandpaper. Oh my goodness. I said I have got my work cut out for me with this one. Nice paint job. So it was all custom done. Anyhow, enough of my jibber jabber. We best get cracking before the buckets freeze over. Oh, now it's starting to snow. Lovely. Wish me luck. All right, there you go. 3 hours exactly. This Triumph Thruxton has been trotted. Looking sweet. Oh my God, this thing was minging. Realistically, I could spend a good 5 or 6 hours on it, but as the client's still using it daily, he just wanted it freshened up. He had a budget, so 3 hours was the limit. But I've done quite a bit in 3 hours. These engine cases, I mean, look how pitted they are. They were a mess. I've done the best I can with them. All the exhaust has been minted up, all the discs, all the calipers, all the front of the frame. Every single one of those spokes has been scrubbed as they were all just starting to go rusty. I've ACF 50'd everything afterwards, same as I've done with all the engine. These covers have come up all right. Like I said, they are, look how pitted they are. I mean, it's usually a brushed finish on these, but I've shined them up. Realistically, they need to come off and be taken to a metal polisher, but they look 100% better. All the exhaust has been minted up. All that old rust off the chain has been removed, blow dried, re-lubed back up, cleaned the sprocket the best I could. All these spokes have been scrubbed. I've covered everything with ACF 50 afterwards. All this shock that was all rusty, I've scrubbed in between each one of these springs. ACF 50'd it afterwards. Put a bit of paint on the swing arm back there. I did a 2-stage paint correction on the tank as this stripe was all scratched up. So I run my little Rupees machine over it twice, got a nice gloss back to it. I then treated it to some Ultimaxx slicks. This is the yearly ceramic paint protection. I put it on the tank, side covers, mud guard, headlight and windscreen, so at least it's got a bit of protection. 69 plate, used daily. Now looking like it just rolled out of the showroom. Don't forget, I'm open 7 days a week, satisfaction guaranteed. 07966 249 963.